our new chapter, that is chapter number 1, Roman numerals. Now, what you are going to see in this chapter, we will learn one by one. Now, this is your first chapter. So, there are 5 Roman numerals. There are how many? 5 Roman numerals. From that, we will learn more Roman numerals. Now you can see over here in the first one, it is given in the form of I. It is shown in the form of I. That I is what? That I is our 1. See, if you are in a standard first, now you are in standard 5th. So you should know what is the Roman for using your standards. Now here in first standard, this is the sign or symbol where you are going to use for writing the standard. So this is what? This is 1. So Roman numerals I जब रहेगा तो क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग उसको 1. When 2 time I is given, see here you can see a 1 time and 2 time in this picture. 2 time I is given. So what is that? Very good, Vaidehi. What is that? That is 2. This 2, 1, 2. This is our international number. This is what? This is our international number. Now, how you will identify next picture? You going to identify next Roman number, that is I, and I. 3 time I diya hai. That is how many time written? 3 time I. So that what we call, that we called as 3. That we call in an international number as 3, as a 3. Now in the next picture, what is shown over here? I and V. First क्या है? I. And then क्या है? V. So that symbol is what? That is the symbol of 4. That is the international number 4. But how it is written in the Roman numerals? It is written I and V. I and V. Now the last thing. Now this last image, this last part is V. Only V. Only V matlab it is which number? Very good. It is number 5. It is number 5. So you can see over here, I have written only first 5 Roman numbers, because you have to identify first, you have to understand only 5 Roman numbers. After that, we are going to learn some rules regarding the Roman numerals, and then we will know how to write 1 to 20 or 1 to 1 to 10 Roman numerals. Now here, first I means what? Write in the chat box. I means, yeah, everyone. I means what? Very good. I means 1. Now I. Just listen my word, huh? I. That means which international number? Very good, others. That means it is 3. Only V. Only V. Very good. Only V means it is 5. It is 5. Next, I. Very good. I means 2. And I and V means? I and V means? Very good. I and V means 4. Here we have cleared the concept of 5 Roman numerals. Now we will see the next, that is our rules. What are the rules when you are going to identify or when you are going to write the Roman numerals? So there are certain rules which you have to learn and which you have to understand for finding the or for writing the Roman numerals. Now, I'll unmute one student so that he is going to read the rule of first. Tanishka, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Read first rule.
Rule 1. If either of the symbols 1 or x is written consequently 2 or 3 times, their sum totally is the number they make.
Very good. Now mute yourself, beta. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Now, okay. Now rules. Now first rule is what? If either of the symbol I or x जो symbol है is written consequently. Consequently means बार बार 2 or 3 times. 2 or 3 times. Then that sum total means उनको मिला के their sum total is the number they make. Their sum total means if we add it, it will make the number. So which number, which symbol? Only I and X. Only I or X is written consequently. Then that number will be added, but it should be written how many times? 2 times or 3 times. You can see over here in this example. See in this first example, I is written. I means 1, another I means 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now next is I. Now the second example I have written over here, that is I. Now this you have to do what you have to do. Write in the chat box how you will identify what is that Roman numerals I. So I means very nice. I means 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means it is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 3. Very good. It is 3. So how you are going to write 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Now our next example which I have written over here, that is x. Now x means what? X means 10. X means 10. तो x और x क्या होता है? 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 will make what? Make? Very good, Pradyuman. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. So here the third example, that is x, it will become 10 plus 10, that is 20. Now next, next who is going to tell me? Now I will unmute one student. He is going to tell me what is the third example and what he is knowing about the third one. 1 minute, huh? Now I'll unmute Daksh. Daksh, I have unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
I have written the fourth example, that is x. Can you explain? Yes, Daksh. Okay, now I will give another student. I think Daksh. Daksh, you have unmuted, beta. Okay. Swara, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Can you explain what is x? What is x first?
30, ma'am.
But what is x? X matlab?
X 10.
Yeah. So x कितने टाइम लिखा है वहां पे?
3 times.
So how you will add?
X into 10 we will add 20, it will become 30.
This way you are going to add it.
Yes.
How you are going to add? You are going to add like this. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now mute yourself, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now I think you people have understood this x means it is 10. So how you are going to add? 10 plus 10 plus 10. It is what? It is 30. It is 30. Okay.
raise their hand.
Okay, now the second rule is rule 2. The symbol I or X. The symbol I or X can be repeated consequently for a maximum of 3 times. See, I have told you in the first rule that we have to write I or X 2 or 3 times. So the second rule, what it is telling that the symbol I or X we can repeat consequently for how many maximum, how many time? Maximum 3 times. See your examples also written. First, it is given I 3 times, and then it is given X 3 times. Now, if I write I, how many times I have written I? Write the answers in the chat box. How many times I have written I? 4 times. So, is it our 4 Roman numeral? Is 4 is our Roman numeral? No, it is wrong. So how you should write 4? I have explained first 5 Roman numerals. So how you should write 4? Very good, Sanika. How you will write? You will write 4 as I and V. So that's why I have explained you this second rule, that second rule is telling that the symbol I or X कितनी बार repeat होगा? Only 3 times. If it is repeating 4 times or 5 times, that is wrong. That is wrong. So we should repeat I and X how many times? Only 3 times or 2 times. Now here's the next also. The numerical V is never repeated consequently. जो V है, it is never repeating. V कितने time repeat होना चाहिए? Only 1 time. See here I have written V. V means what? V means 5. Another V means what? Another V means 5. 5 plus 5 is what? 5 plus 5 is 55. No, yeah, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 का symbol क्या है हमारा? What is the symbol? What is the symbol of 10 in Roman numerals? Very good. This is the symbol of 10. So this VV is right or XX is X is right? Very good. You. That means X is right. So that's why the second rule is telling that we are going to write V only 1 time. We can't write V how many times? 2 times or 3 times. So we should return 1 time and I and X should return maximum 3 times. Is it clear? Now we will move for the next rule. The next rule is rule number 3. Now, what is the rule number 3? When either I or V is written on the right side. Now, right side, everyone raise your right hand. Everyone raise your right hand. Yeah. So, what the third rule is telling? Either I or V is written on the right side of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. जो भी number होता है for the Roman numerals, उसके right side में we have to add I or V. We have to add I so that the number's value is added. Value उसका बढ़ जाता है. We are going to add. जो भी कुछ right side है उसको add करना है. Add करने से क्या होता है? हमारा values बढ़ता है. और किसमें add करना है? Bigger number के साथ. Now you can see through this example first. Here in the first example it is written VI. Now I किस side लिखा है? Left side or right side? I is written on which side? वेरी गुड, I is written on the right side. तो right side लिखा होगा तो हमको क्या करना है, हमको add करना है. Is it clear? Right side जब लिखा होता है तो what we have to do, we have to add. Now what is mean by V? V means 5 and I means 1. तो क्या होगा हमारा 5 plus 6. What we have to write? 5 plus 6. So 6 is what? 6 is V and I. V और I क्या है, क्या बन गया हमारा 6. What it make? It make 6. So in this rule, what you have to remember, when I should be written on the right side of the bigger number. जब हम राइट साइड में लिखेंगे तो उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, ऐड होता है, बढ़ जाता है. Is it clear? Now we can see the second example. It is written V I I. Now V means what? 5 already written. I दो बार I है तो क्या हो गया 2. So it become 5 plus 2 because it had written in the right side. Right side में लिखा है, इसीलिए हमको क्या करना है, what we have to do, we have to add it. So what it make? It make the Roman numeral 7. It make the Roman numeral 7. So you have to remember that whenever you have to remember that whenever we are going to write I on the right side, that time you are going to add it. That time what you have to do, you have to add it. Now the last example, it is written X, I. X means what? 10 and I means what? 2. So what the Roman numerals make? It is 12. So 10 plus 2 become 12. So just remember this. IV is written on the right side. Right side में जब भी होगा तो उसको क्या करना है, हमको उसको ऐड करना है बिगर नंबर से and the value will be added over there, and where the value will be added, it will be added on the bigger number. See, now next the last rule इसका opposite. Now what we learned, कहाँ पे हमको add करना है, right side में. But when we are going to write I on the left side of B or X, B और X के लेफ्ट साइड में अगर हमने I ऐड किया है तो उसको क्या करना है, we have to subtract. What we have to do, we have to subtract it. We have to subtract from the value of V और X. V और X के वैल्यू से हमको उसको subtract करना है and it is not written more than once before V or X, and the value, and from the value of V or X, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. So here you can see the example. First example, it is written I and V. Now I कौन से साइड में लिखा है अभी, लेफ्ट और राइट? I is written on which side? Very good. It is written on the left side. It is written on the left side. So left side को हमको क्या करना है, बिगर नंबर से subtract करना है. Now इधर बिगर नंबर क्या है, V. V means what? V means 5. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from 1. So 5 from 1 will become 4. 5 from 1 will become 4. You can see for the second example also, it is written IX. Now X means what? X means 10. X means 10. And I means Y. Magar it is written on which side? It is written on the left side. So what you have to do? You don't have to add. What you have to do? You have to subtract it. That means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 will become 9. 10 minus 1 will become 9. So what you have to understand? You are going to understand if the number is written on the right side. Right side में लिखा होगा तो हमको add करना है. लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा होगा तो हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, किससे? बिगर नंबर से, सो दैट द वैल्यू विल गोइंग टू बी चेंज। यही हमको याद रखना है। नाउ फर्स्ट रूल में हमने क्या याद किया? फर्स्ट रूल में व्हाट वी हैव लर्न दैट द सिंबल आई or x, whenever it is written, it should be written consequently 2 or 3 times, and that sum will be their total. Second rule में हमने क्या पढ़ा? We will write x और I only 3 times, maximum 3 times, or if we will not repeat v will be only 1 time only, we will not repeat v. Third rule what we have learned? Third rule हमको ये याद रखना है, if a bigger number is there, if I we have to write, I is written on the right side, तो हमको add करना है. If v और x में left side है I, so we have to subtract it. Okay, now problem set 1. Question number 1 is fill in the empty box. Now here you're going to tell me the answers because I have taught you each and every Roman numerals. Now in the first number, in the first box, there are some numbers, and in the second row, there you are going to write the Roman numerals. Now first question is 3. Now, how you are going to write in the Roman numerals? Very good students, giving a right answer. How you are going to write it down? Yeah, you are going to write it down as I. Very nice. Now, the second, it is given VIII. Now, it is written in the Roman. So, which type of number you will write? You will write the international number. How you are going to write it down? Very good. That is VII. What is that? V means 5 and add 3. 5 plus 3 will become 8. Very good. 5 plus 3, 8. Now next is 6. How you are going to write 6? It is given in a number, that is SIX, 6. Very good, Manvi. How you are going to write it? You are going to write in the form of Roman, that is V and I. Now next it is given 15. How you are going to write 15? How you are going to write 15? Very good. Prathamesh has given first answer. I want an other student. Very good. Suchi, right. Any other student fast? What? How you will write 15? Very good. Amay. Pradyuman, recorrect. Beta, that is wrong. You have written the answer 15. Arohi, very good. Very nice. How you will write 15? You will write 10 and 5. 10 and 5 will become 15. Very good, Pradyuman. You have corrected it. How you will write 15? X and B. Now the last question. I'm not going to read it. You just give me the answers in the chat box. What is the last number? XIX. What is the answer of that number? That Roman numeral? Very good, Daksh, Arohi, Pradyuman, Asmi. Very nice. Giving the right answers. Other students' involvement also. Very good. Abhinandan. Very nice. It is what? It is 19. How you identify 19? How you identify 19? Because it is given X, I, X. Now this X means 10 and IX. I have told you I and X is the symbol of 9, is the symbol of 9. So 10 plus 9 will become 19. 10 plus 9 will become 19. Very nice. Okay. Now we will solve our next question. Second question. Now the second question is, राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन इंटरनेशनल. इंटरनेशनल नंबर में लिखना है. इट इज गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रोमन. Now what is the first answer? Very good. I want answers from your side. I will not tell you the symbol. You are going to identify and you are going to give the answers in the chat box. Very good. The first Roman numeral is very nice. It is 5. It is 5. Okay, now next second is what? Very good. Second is 9. Very nice. Third क्या है? What is the third? Very good, Panasvi. The third answer you have written. Prathamesh. Very nice. Other students. Abhinandan. Very nice. Aditya Yadav, recorrect your answers. The third one is 13, not 12. See, you can see here X, I. I कितनी बार लिखा है? How many times I is written? Very nice. I is written 3 times. So X means 10 plus 3 will become 13. Very good. Now here it is 13. Now next is what? Next Roman numeral X, V, I. Very good. Chaturthi. Very nice. X, V, I. That means 17. And the last one. Is what? X, I, V. Very nice. X, I, V means 14. X, I, V means 14. That means you people have understood the Roman numerals, how to write it down. Okay. Now, okay, our next question is question number 3. Write the numbers in Roman numerals. I'm giving you 5 minutes. You're going to write down in your notebook. And after that, I'm going to check it after 5 minutes. I'm not going to ask you any one answers. You will show your notebook after completing question number 3. So I have given you only 5 minutes for completing it. Question number 3. As you complete, I will check now only. What is the first answer? 9. How you are going to write it down? Very nice. 9, I and X. Very nice. Now second number is 11. 11 कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? Very nice. X and I. See, don't get confused. X और I 11 होता है और I और X क्या होता है? 9. Now next number is 18. Very good, Sakshi. 18 means 10, 5, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Very nice. And the last 4. Very good. You were in the 4th class. Now you came in the 5th class. So what is the symbol when you writing 4? That is I and V. Very good. That is I and V. So till here, I hope you people have done. Now we will move for the next question. Okay. Now next question is question number 4. Question number 4. Now I unmute one student. He is going to tell me the question. I'll unmute Prathamesh. I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Read the question, beta.
In the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and again in Roman numerals. If it is correct in Roman numerals, put X in the box under it. If not, put right in the and correct it.
Okay. Now mute yourself. Now what you have to do in this, whatever numbers and Roman numerals are not matching. So what you should do, you should correct it. And when it is matching, you should put a right over there. Answer right है तो right करना है. आंसर रॉन्ग है तो उसको रॉन्ग करके आंसर को करेक्ट करना है, वापस से लिखना है. So our first is 4. Now see, 4 is written I. Is it right or wrong? Very good. It is wrong. It is wrong. So here we will put wrong. What is the right answer? How you are going to write 4? Very nice. You are going to write 4 as I and V. I and V will be written in the form of 4. ऐसे हमको करना है, जिधर wrong answer रहेगा वहां पे wrong करके we have to correct it. We have to correct it. Now the next question. Next is 6. Is 6 right? राइट है क्या? वेरी गुड, इट इज राइट, क्योंकि 6 कैसे लिखना है? V and I. So what I should do here? Putting only right. Now next is what? 8. Is it right? 8 is written over there. No, it is wrong. So what is the right answer? Very good. What is the right answer? How you will write 8? Very nice. You will write 8 in the form of V-I-I. This is the 8. Now next is this written 16. 16 is right or wrong? Very good. 16 is right because 10, 5 and 1. 10, 5, 1, it becomes 16. So what you will write? You will put a right mark over there. Last number is 15. V. Is it right? Is it right? No, it is not right. So what is the right answer? Very good. How you will write 15? How you will write 15? It will be X and V. So here it is wrong written. So you have to put wrong over here. So till here you people have understood. The next part we will continue on the next lecture.